Hey guys, you know how people say first impression is the best impression? Today, let's talk about why that first look really matters. Let's be honest, life is super fast these days. People judge you really quickly when they meet you. Seriously, it takes just 7 seconds for someone to decide if they like you or not. That's even faster than checking your Instagram. Now you might think, that's not fair, is it? Well, it's how our brains work. We quickly decide if someone is good or bad for us. It's like a safety feature, you know? Like, imagine meeting someone new at a cricket match. You want to know if they are there to cheer with you or not. Think about going for a job interview or meeting someone for the first time. How you look, how you act, even how you talk, it all matters. Wear nice clothes, stand straight, and talk clearly. These small things can make a big difference, just like a good opening batsman sets the tone for the match. But it's not just about looking good. Being real and showing you're interested is important too. People can tell if you're faking it. So smile genuinely and look them in the eye when you meet someone. Show them you're interested, like when your favorite team is batting. And hey, first impressions aren't just when you meet someone face to face. Your online profiles matter too. Your LinkedIn, your Instagram, they should show the best you. Just like your favorite cricketer's profile shows their achievements, yours should too. Here's a tip. Delete those old, embarrassing photos. Show everyone the amazing person you are. But remember, while first impressions are important, what you do after matters more. Be yourself and keep doing good things. Just like a good cricketer keeps scoring runs, you keep being awesome. So, next time you meet someone new, remember these things. Stand tall, be real, and show everyone how awesome you are. You never know what doors that first impression might open. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool tips. See you in the next one. Smart Bites, quick learning for a better you.